Today, we're diving into a focused 5-minute session to fire up the core and glutes, powerhouse muscles that create strength, stability, and support for every movement. This quick routine requires no equipment, just a mat or soft surface, and can be done anywhere. Each move will last a minute, allowing your muscles to engage and warm up. So by the end, you'll feel stronger, grounded, and ready to take on the day. Let's hit the mat. Begin on all fours, aligning your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Slowly extend your right arm forward and left leg back, keeping your core tight and your back flat. Inhale as you reach out, and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together under your body. Stay steady, focusing on each movement. Each rep is controlled and slow, activating your core, glutes, and back. With every breath, you're building balance and strength from your center. You're almost there. Let's take one more controlled movement on this side, feeling the energy build, then we'll switch. Now switch to the left side. Extend your left arm forward and right leg back, keeping that steady core engagement. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale as your elbow and knee meet under your body. Let the movement flow with your breath. Each extension strengthens your midsection and glutes, while each contraction builds more stability. Find your rhythm and focus on staying balanced and steady. Almost there. Feel the power in your core as we wrap up this side and prepare to shift positions. Lie on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Lift your right leg up, keeping it straight. Press through your left heel to lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top, then lower slowly. Each lift is powerful yet controlled, targeting the left glute and hamstring while engaging your core. Feel the stretch in each lift, building a solid foundation for balance and power. One last lift here, feeling the burn as we wrap up this side and prepare to switch. Switch to the left side. Lift your left leg up, pressing through your right heel as you lift your hips, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower down with control. Each movement is steady, engaging the glutes and core with intention. Feel your powerhouse muscles come to life, supporting every rep with strength. Almost there. Keep pressing with control, feeling grounded and strong as we move to a final position. Come back to all fours for fire hydrants. With your core tight, lift your right knee out to the side, keeping it bent, then lower it slowly. Focus on keeping your hips level as you lift. This movement isolates the glutes, especially the outer hip muscles. Each lift builds power in your glutes and hips, supporting balance and mobility for everyday movement. One last lift here, feeling the glute engagement before we switch sides. Switch the left side. Lift your left knee out to the side, focusing on a controlled movement. Let each lift activate your glutes and hips. This final exercise completes the activation of the core and glutes, building balanced strength throughout the lower body. Feel the power build with each rep, stabilizing and energizing you from the inside out. Almost done. Let's finish with a strong final lift, focusing on that last bit of power. Great job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've activated your core, glutes, building strength and stability for every movement. If you're feeling strong and ready for more, check out another workout, dive into a stretching video, or try a calming meditation to keep balanced. Keep that power flowing, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.